No, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the God of light and sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Going beyond these vibrations and forms that are vibrated is the attractive and the enjoyer, the omniscient, the omnipresent, the omnipotent. And when we turn to chapter 13, my favorite verse at the moment, are the one that I figured on sharing, is text 17. Avim bhaktam cha bhutashu vim bhaktam iva cha sithitam bhuta bhartr cha tajñeyam grasishnu pramba vishnu cha. Without division, also in all living beings, divided as if also situated in the manner of all living entities, also that, in order to be understood, all is devouring and developing within. So God isn't situated, but we know the situation of God through these various things and the transitory forms which they are in. We can't be a God, but pure devotion to God can develop all good qualities. Your vessel is capable of. Be conscious of that we are using material conditions rather than owning even our senses. It isn't that senses are false, but interpretation of them may be. Do not even try to become thoughtless, nor desireless, but direct them. Even if you can gather a piece of a plant, sacrifice. God is worshipped for the benefit of the worshiper. True scriptures and true interpretation are not with flaws like contradictions. Being forced may give merit by hardship, and the sinful quality won't transfer, but the voluntary turning over of senses, emotions, thoughts, and bodily actions as dedicated is the goal. Spiritual life is not for the lazy, but it is ultimately more pleasurable. Be open to the life change, and more bliss and knowledge may be realized than any other way in this life. Sometimes God is known through a woman. Beware of the capability to return to the disease of sin and ignorance. Meditation is necessary to confirm where and how we are in relation to the rest of existence. Then we can lift the cloak of falsehood, or change it to be according to the desire of spiritual relationships and outlooks. Ordinary people live in mere consumption and mere transmission, but the spiritual actor does differently by intentions and consciousness upon the forms. Remote viewing can be developed. The world was as one nation, and we need to go beyond modern nationalism. History does not need separated from mythology, and it's best within religion. In temples, enemies are to be at peace and without even dishonesty towards each other. Those who fight merely for government are to become part of government, as one might phrase it, are on the wrong side. Don't let envy lead you to commit the forms of cheating. Don't confine principles and movements to political or other material leaders. God is known through different forms in different times and places, but certain qualities were not repeated universally. Perhaps we can say that the 16,000 bodies said to be of Krishna were of one of the figures that went into this story. There's 4 historical figures, but that's not really for this scope. That it represents the army thereof. And there's other instances in mythology where you see that, oh, this king or this guy, they must have had an army behind them, and so the number represented is as such. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.